Hey everybody, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. I just wanted to share my last look at the beach at Delnor-Wiggins Pass State Park with you before I head home on what's turning out to be a really nice Thursday morning. I'm by the south end of parking lot 2. Partly cloudy skies, eventually going to be giving way to more sunny skies, but seeing lots of blue. Right now the air temperature is somewhere around 76. It's going to be a very warm day here today in Southwest Florida. The feels like temperature, it's going to feel like it's in the 90s. The actual high is going to get up to maybe 87 in places. The water temperature is 73. That sun playing peekaboo through the clouds with us. The tide's on its way in. Had a lot of extra beach to walk on here at the park this morning with all of the sandbars being exposed. As far as the red tide goes, I got a few whiffs of it. I could actually feel it at times in my eyes. The wind is coming out of the south, which is much better than coming out of the west. We don't want it coming out of the west. That's where the red tide is, out to the west of us in the Gulf. The dead fish, the staff here, the rangers and volunteers are doing a really good job. I saw them with their front end loader up in area 4 picking up the dead fish this morning. So the beach is pretty clean as far as dead fish, but I have seen quite a few of these moon jellyfish, moon jellies on the beach. I don't know what that's all about. I don't recall seeing a lot of them during our red tide outbreaks. It was always dead fish. But when I say quite a few, I saw at least a dozen. I didn't see them all, but at least a dozen. I had a nice walk out here this morning. Look at these colors. This is when I first got out here this morning. This is just off the beach in Area 1, out on the sandbar. Look at that radiant glow of sunrise. Look at those colors, wow. And the reflections in the water, absolutely spectacular. I took my time. I walked up to Wiggins Pass this morning. I did see some boats heading out of the pass. Like I said, all in all, it has been a beautiful beach walk here at the park. And now, when that sun's out, look at that. Man, it's absolutely gorgeous. I wish you were here with me. The color of the water doesn't look too bad. Definitely not a reddish brown like you would see with a red tide, so that's good news. If you want to stay in touch with what's happening here at the park, follow Friends of Delnor-Wiggins Pass State Park on Facebook. Friends of Delnor-Wiggins Pass State Park. Visit their website. Great people. They do a lot of great things for this park. Get out in this water one last time. I am going to rinse off as soon as I get near that shower. There is a shower down at the restrooms by the entrance to the park, by the Bluebell drop-off there. That's the closest shower. So if you do a little wading, looking for shells or whatever, rinse off as soon as possible with this red tide out here. And that's a habit you should get into no matter what when you're out in the Gulf. Always rinse off as soon as you can. Maybe bring a couple gallon jugs of water with you. It's a good habit to get in. All right, that's gonna do it for this last look at this beautiful stretch of Mile Long Beach. Parking lots 1 and 2 are still the only parking lots open, by the way. Hey, thanks for watching. Thanks for being a friend. Thanks for allowing me into your lives and onto your screens. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay strong. Tally-ho, everyone, tally-ho. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Rob Stan. May God bless you, your family, your friends, your fur babies, everything and everyone in your lives. And God bless our wonderful, beautiful, and amazing country. The place that I so proudly call my home. God bless America. Keep her in your prayers. Tally ho. Tally ho.